be doing a slime series this time, but I'm only doing these two fights and then I'll get to the rest of them. So yeah, this is the rubber one. I already got a little bit of it out. So I'm only going to mix a little bit of it, but let's see about this one. Oh, it's sticky, sticky. I'm just going to work a little bit. I'd like a scab turn it into fish bone. Oh, come out. That's good. I'm gonna fix it. Slime video. I like it. Yeah, I'm turning fish bone.